Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got another, I'll call it a short video for you. Lately we've been doing a lot of the big lift kits and you guys have been seeing it on the channel, and I figured, hey, we might as well, you know, showcase a lot of the work we do that we don't put on camera, and that's like leveling kits. We do a lot of trucks with leveling kits and factory wheels with some bigger tires, and a lot of them never ever get seen because to me, I thought that, you know, YouTube was going to be more for bigger, more expensive builds, but turns out you guys like everything we do, so you even like the smaller stuff. So this truck today is a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. We did the 2.5-inch SuspensionMAXX keys on it, or we're going to do them on it, and it's getting some 37-inch Toyo Open Country RT tires on those very, very sought after chrome 22-inch replicas. Now, the wheels that are in this video, I've sold one other set and they were on another video that we had before, but I didn't realize what I had gotten at that point. These are very, very hard to find. We tracked down 3 sets and all 3 sets have gone, and I have back ordered 6 other sets of these wheels because they're super popular, and the GMC Denali cap fits, you know, from GM in this wheel. So let me know what you guys think. If there's anybody that wants any more of these wheels, call me. I have one other style wheel that's a different design, but it's the same size and everything, like a Replica 2500 wheel that goes on 2011 up GMC and Chevrolet 2500s. This wheel's super cool looking because it looks like the factory wheel, but it's 2 inches bigger, and it allows you to run a 37-inch tire with either a 4-inch lift kit or just a leveling kit with some minor trimming. This truck is just getting a leveling kit, so stay tuned and let me know what you think. Got our Denali. I may have called this an Ultimate earlier in the video. This is not an Ultimate. This is a regular Denali. Has chrome on it. But if you guys are regulars of the channel, you will remember a couple of weeks ago I did a Denali Ultimate, like a gray or silver one, and it was on a 4-inch Cognito lift kit. And we did those factory wheels I was talking about earlier. I have 100% convinced myself that the 4-inch lift kits, just, you know, not raised to 6 or anything, but just a basic 4-inch lift kit gives you about the same amount of clearance that just these SuspensionMAXX torsion key leveling kits give you. So it's about the same amount of trimming. You can do the 37s on this stock Replica 22-inch wheel, and it looks just as good to me with the torsion key. If you like a little bit more height on the truck, you get it with the 4-inch lift, so that's also a good option for you too. Check the truck out. I'll let you know what I did to it, or what we did to it today, and what the differences are. And once again, I appreciate you watching. I don't know why I always say that, because I know I'm about to flip the camera around and tell you some more stuff. Here we go. Here's our truck, 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali. Like I said, the Denali has this chrome on the grill, where the Denali Ultimate is a dark chrome. It's called Vader Chrome. This truck has about 250 miles on it. Of course, we did that set of torsion keys from SuspensionMAXX that I told you guys about earlier. I'll throw a clip or two of the other video that I did about SuspensionMAXX in this, so you can see what's going on there. We also did a 22-inch replica wheel, and we used the actual GMC Denali center caps on this. They fit just fine on the wheels. You have to buy them from the dealership though, but we can source them for you as well. The wheels are really, really nice. What's good about the wheel is it doesn't stick out past the fender of the truck and create all that clearance issue and having to cut the fenders real bad, and it doesn't throw rocks all over the truck, which is really nice. To get these on here, instead of cutting the mud flap, what we did was replaced it with this mud flap delete kit from sharptruck.com. Did a little bit of minor trimming up here on the front. You still have your plug right here. Didn't have to cut anything there. That's really cool. This truck has the color matched fender flares on it. The General Motors optional piece that you can buy. It's already painted, very nice, same color as the truck. These are the smoked Recon lights that go here, instead of the orange ones that come in there from the factory. The sharptruck.com mud flap deletes, they have a complete kit for the rear fenders as well, here and here. That way it's uniform with the front. If you have any questions about a build like this or anything, call me. My number is 678-994-9180. I'm Jake, Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Thank you for watching.